Guys, this is how to get the special board in Animal Company. This one. Right? This is how to get this board insanely easy. So first you want to get to the end. You're gonna want to get 1 to 2 cans of beans. Then when you're right here, you're gonna eat one of them. Then there's a little thing right there. Right, you're gonna go this way. You can fall off or whatever. You go over here. Right, then you're gonna eat the second can of beans. Just don't fall off. Then you're gonna want to hit this. As you're gonna put your name, then you're gonna get the thing. Then you're just gonna be brought back to spawn.